From this to this.
You are all successful. Equally, each and every one of you here right now carries the same accountable success in your business, unless you choose otherwise. Does your negative ego supersede your profiting pay it forward investments? Paying it forward in your business is the most important self-culture for unlimited growth and profits. I have witnessed so many failed business owners blame all but themselves. And while there are many attributes that add into the making of a failed business, most always bottleneck back into one missing ingredient: the valued importance of your pay it forward investments and practices. If you have the valued balance of your pay it forwards nailed, you will always make a significant profit from every pay it forward investment at a given point in your business, regardless of how micro or large that may be. But here's the thing: the clarity and value of your pay it forward financial return into your business profits is completely dictated by the absolute and unconditional integrity in the beneficial offering to your pay it forward recipient or business investment. Any micro regret or spending guilt you carry after any pay it forward offering ingoing to your business or outgoing to a client will create a devalued growth and monetary return, and for much create strangle points to the potential value of your pay it forward return, replacing your efforts for celebrated forward profits to a resented spending guilt and depleted trust in your future business decision making. Moving forward, start by recognizing your post pay it forward celebrating thoughts. Are they genuine to your pay it forward call to actions taken? Do you regret or overanalyze your decisions made to pay it forward? Remember, a pay it forward purchase, invested action, or recipient offering has no restrictions in importance or size. Micro or magnitude are equal in your organic profiting pay it forward corporate world. Till next time.